Hi guys, it's Miss Santiago. I miss you all. I hope you're all staying home and staying safe and healthy and having a good time with your family. I thought it would be easier if I just uploaded a video a few times a week, maybe just once or twice a week, and kind of went over everything we were doing in class. And then I'll assign some worksheets and you could work on them with mom and dad and resubmit them back to me for a grade. So the first thing I want to do is go over the coins. We've been working on coins for a while now. Now some of you are still learning the names of the coins and some of you are practicing the value of the coin, how much they're worth, and we're going to start moving on to putting the coins together and making, adding them up. So let's look at these coins. Remember, the biggest coin is the quarter, and the quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay, so this is the quarter, 25 cents. Next we have the dime. The dime is the smallest one. Remember, it's the smallest one. Look how small it is compared to the quarter. And the dime is worth 10 cents. So this is a dime and it's worth 10 cents. Next we have the nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. Okay, so let's take a look at that nickel. It is worth 5 cents. And last we have the penny. Remember, the penny is the only brown one. And the penny is worth just 1 cent. Look real close at that. This is a penny and it's worth 1 cent. So we have the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny. Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and mix these up a little bit. Now I'm going to show you a coin and I want you to look at mom and dad or whoever's helping you right now, and I want you to tell them the name of the coin. Now, mom and dad, if they don't know the name, or if you would prefer to say, is that a blank or blank, is that a nickel or a dime? And give them two choices, whatever works best for you. Some of the kids know exactly what the name is. Some of our nonverbal students, I always prompt them by saying, can you show me the, and if you have coins at home, even better, you could put them on the table and work on them. So I'm gonna take the smallest coin first. What is this coin? Go ahead and look at mom and dad and tell them the name of the smallest coin. And if you know the name, tell them how much the coin is worth. How many cents? Next, we have the biggest coin. What is the name of the biggest coin? Look at mom and dad and tell them what's the name of the biggest coin. And if you know the name, now tell them how much is the coin worth. How much? Okay, next, let's get this one. Remember, this is the only brown coin. What is the name of the brown coin? Look at mom and dad and tell mom and dad the name of the brown coin. Now, if you knew the name, let's go ahead and tell them how much is this coin worth. How much is it worth? Okay, last we have this coin. Look, it's smaller than this one, but it's bigger than this one. What coin is this? Look at mom and dad, tell them the name of the coin. Now you can also tell them how many cents is this coin? How much is it worth? Okay, now if any of you would like to start working on adding the coins together, we could start looking at what these two coins add up to. This is a nickel and a penny. A nickel's worth 5 cents and a penny's worth 1 cent. How much are these two coins together? 5 cents and 1 cent. Okay? Next, guys, we've been working on touch point math. Now, I posted another video already to show your parents how we do this, but let's review. Remember, you have to touch the point, okay? Now, Mom and Dad, you can print these out. I also have smaller ones. I'll attach that file too, so if you don't want to print out all these big ones. But the first one, 1, touch the top, 1. 2, we touch the top, then the bottom. 1, 2, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Now remember, we touch each of these circles 2 times. Start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one we only touch 1 time. These circles we're going to touch 2 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now when we start to add it up, we have to be able to count from one number up to the next one. So we are going to practice doing the count it up sheet, okay? Now the first one I'm going to do with you, and then from there I will upload 3 more for you to do throughout the week. Now some of you might find this easy, some of you might find this hard, but just do what you could do. Parents, if you want to highlight the numbers in the circles for those that need to just trace it, that's fine too, whatever you have to do. So students, what number comes after 1? 2. What number comes after 2? 3. What number comes after 3? 4. And then what number comes after 4? 5. Now that was an easy one because we started with number 1. But let's look here. If we start at number 5 and we count 3 more up, start at 5, what comes next? 5, 6. Okay, now what comes after number 6? 5, 6, 7. 7 comes next. I'm gonna get a darker marker. Now we have one more. 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Now here we're going to start with the number 8, and we're going to count up 3 spots. 8. And if you can't remember, and we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's fine too, whatever you got to do. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, do you remember doing this, guys, in class? So I am going to attach 3 more sheets that look just like that. So we have this one with the squares, here with the arrows, and more squares. Now, parents, these papers will be under the assignments tab on their math class. You can print them out and write on them, scan them back to me or send a picture, or you can just write these numbers on paper at home and have them write, you know, the next 2 or 3 numbers after each of these numbers, and then scan that and send it back to me. I think you can all take pictures on your phones as a scanner and just send it as a picture format to me. That's fine. If you're having any troubles though, just reach out to me and I'll figure out a way to get these out to you. All right, boys and girls, now practice your touch point math and practice your coins. Then complete your counted up sheets. That's all you're gonna have to do this week. So every day you could practice those coins. Every day you practice those touch point maths. And then there's 3 sheets, so as long as you get them done and turn them in by Friday, I will be happy, okay? All right, guys, I can't wait to see you guys. Bye.